Namaskar students. In mass transfer 2 we are discussing distillation. It is most important chapter of mass transfer as well as it is most important operation for industries. So it is the most important role in chemical industry. So we are discussing the methods of distillation. Last lecture we discussed already about differential or simple distillation. Today we are going to discuss flash or equilibrium distillation. Flash or equilibrium distillation. It is the simplest method. Okay. First point, it is used as a continuous manner. It is used as continuous manner. In this process or in this method, liquid is partially vaporized. Liquid is partially vaporized. Okay, and allowed them for equilibrium. Okay, this method is widely used in chemical industry, petroleum industry, for separation of multi-component system. Okay, in this, feed is heated in a heat exchanger, so it will be partially vapor form. So mixture is there, vapor of liquid mixture is there, so then it sent through a separator. Before sending to separator, it passes through the pressure reducing valve to convert a liquid into the vapor. After that, it sent to a separator and vapor which is goes up and liquid which is goes down. This is the simple process. So basic is feed which is heated in a heat exchanger and then converted into a partially vapor form. Then it is sent to via pressure reducing valve and then goes to separator where vapor is goes up and liquid is goes down. So very simple process. Most important application is petroleum industry for separation of multi-component system. Okay, this is the simple theory. Okay, now material balance. Material balance of this. So feed having a mole fraction XF is equal to this plus this. So vapor mole, that is F in vapor, plus 1 minus F in liquid. Okay, so put Y alone and take rest of the parameters left hand side. Okay, so Y is equal to, or say F into Y is equal to XF minus 1 minus F X. Okay, so this equation I will write like F into Y is equal to minus 1 minus F X plus XF. Okay, Y is equal to minus 1 minus F X upon F plus XF upon F. Now put Y is equal to X in above equation. So X is equal to minus 1 minus F X upon F plus XF by F. This F is multiplied with X. So F into X is equal to, I will open this bracket, minus X into 1 minus X, minus minus plus F into X plus XF. F into X cancel, minus X move towards left hand side, so it becomes positive. X is equal to XF. If X is equal to XF, then Y is equal to also XF, because X is equal to Y. If your F is equal to 1, that means your feed is totally vaporized. Okay. If F is equal to 0, then no feed is vaporized. Got it? This is the simple material balance of flash or equilibrium distillation. In is equal to out. What is in? Feed. Mole fraction XF. Out, vapor and liquid. F mole 1 minus F mole. Okay? Simple. Got it? Thank you.